What's up, food explorer? Tonight I'm on a mission to find the most authentic Japanese sashimi in Berlin, and welcome to Udagawa. Stepping inside and just pure Tokyo vibe with minimalist decor, soft Japanese jazz. So I can sense the pure Japanese authenticity here. Everyone in the restaurant is from Japan, and he really reminds me of someone in a movie. I immediately ordered the sashimi because I know that it would be very fresh and very good. This place is so zen and I love the decoration. Soft Japanese music and the staff are super chill. Honestly, I just want to stay here to chill for a few hours. And the advantage of sitting here is that I can see how my food is made as well, and it is very interesting to see the whole process. And while waiting for the main food, they give me some appetizer. And here comes the main plate of tonight. Look at this, each slice is so pretty and I feel very bad if I'm eating it. Let's start with the salmon. This is very smooth and it just melts in my mouth. The tuna is very tender. Also chef kiss to the scallop and also the other fish that I don't know the name. Overall, the restaurant is 100% worth it, and that's a wrap for tonight. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.